Okay, Hey Jude by the Beatles, nice, easier version. Capo on the 3rd fret. Hey Jude, D chord, up to A, don't make it bad. Then A7, take a sad song and make it back to D, up to G. Remember to leather into your heart, back to D, then to A. Then you can start to make it better. Okay, and we're going to try this rhythm. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Does all that again, but then there's that really cool little move where it then goes to a D7, and anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude, refrain, don't carry the world upon your shoulders. D7 again, but well you know that it's a fool who plays it cool by making his world a little colder. La 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 la. Oh, it's beautiful stuff, okay? All the verse again, that little part again that I've just done, but then the signature part that goes on forever and ever. Na, 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 na. Hey Jude. Oh, it's a it's an all-time anthem, and quite fitting for you know what. Come on, England!